Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you double overs. Children, this is your revision work. Now open your copy and write your revision work with me. Children, on the top of the page you will write the heading of double overs like this. Now start to write with me. Number 1 is ROOM, room. ROOM, room. This is a word of double word. And number second one is book. BOOK, book. BOOK, book. Number third is COOK, cook. Fourth one is GOOD, good. GOOD, good. Fifth one is food. FOOD, food. Sixth one is wood. WOOD, wood. Seventh one is foot. FOOD, foot. And the eighth one is fool. FOOL, fool. Ninth is moon. MOON, moon. And the last one is tool. TOOL, tool. Children, read and write these words at home. Take care and Allah Hafiz.